You are welcome to Geojay solution tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to enable Spatial Analyst tools in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. If you go to ArcGIS, to enable it, you come to Customize. Click on Customize, you see Extension. Click on Extension. You see this is Spatial Analyst tool. For you to enable it, you have to check it. If you don't check this Spatial Analyst tool, by the time you are running some analysis or some operation in Spatial Analyst tool, it may not work. So you have to check it, and any other extensions you think you may need, so check them. It is advisable that you check or enable all these extensions here. So after you have checked them like this, you click on close. So now if you come to Arc Toolbox and come to Spatial Analyst tool, all these operations here, functions here will work now. But if you don't check it, if you are running all these functions, it may be failing. So this is how to check or enable Spatial Analyst tools and other extensions in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.